Number 1. M-Cube Modular Laser Measure. The M-Cube is a revolutionary modular laser measure that adapts to your needs. This isn't your average laser distance meter. M-Cube boasts a unique, cube-shaped main unit that can be paired with various add-on modules, transforming it into a multifunctional measuring powerhouse. The base M-Cube unit offers standard distance measuring with impressive accuracy. But what truly sets it apart is the ecosystem of attachable modules. Imagine snapping on a rolling scale module for precise length measurements on curved surfaces, or a digital level module for ensuring perfect alignment. There's even a module with bilateral lasers for indirect measurements around corners. This modularity makes M-Cube perfect for DIYers, professionals, and anyone who needs a versatile measuring tool. The easy-to-use design and clear digital display make taking measurements a breeze. Plus, Bluetooth connectivity lets you connect M-Cube to a smartphone app for data storage and further functionalities. Number 2. TISPANNER Compact Titanium Multitool. The TISPANNER isn't your average bulky multitool. This innovative gadget is crafted from lightweight, ultra-strong titanium, making it your go-to companion for everyday tasks and unexpected situations. Its compact design lets you keep it on your keychain, ensuring it's always within reach. The heart of the TISPANNER is its ingenious adjustable wrench. Forget lugging around a whole set of wrenches. The TISPANNER opens wide enough to tackle various nuts and bolts. But its functionality doesn't stop there. Turn the TISPANNER into a handy ruler with its built-in caliper markings. Need to pop open a bottle? The integrated bottle opener has you covered. The hidden gem of the TISPANNER is its unexpected utility. The body features a tungsten steel strike head, perfect for breaking glass in emergencies or tackling tough jobs like prying open a box. Number 3. YEEUU Smart Lock. Imagine ditching bulky keyrings and fumbling for keys at your door. The YEEUU Smart Lock offers a convenient and secure way to enter your home, all at an affordable price. This innovative lock isn't a complete replacement for your existing door lock. Instead, it's a smart cylinder that fits seamlessly within. Installation is surprisingly simple. Say goodbye to complex modifications. The C1 boasts universal compatibility, adapting to most standard doors without needing to measure backset, door thickness, or other technicalities. Within minutes, you'll be enjoying keyless access. But how do you unlock the YEEUU? You have multiple options at your fingertips. Fingerprint recognition provides secure and speedy access. Program temporary codes for guests or deliveries. Utilize NFC cards for a simple tap-and-go entry. Bluetooth connectivity allows you to unlock the door remotely through your smartphone app, or even integrate voice control through smart speakers for ultimate convenience. Number 4. MOOS Multifunctional Workstation Bag. The MOOS Designs Multifunctional Workstation Bag is a game-changer for professionals who need to stay productive on the go. This innovative bag seamlessly blends style, functionality, and durability, making it the ultimate companion for business travelers, freelancers, and remote workers. Crafted from premium, water-resistant materials, the workstation bag ensures your belongings stay safe and dry in any weather. Its sleek, modern design is not only visually appealing, but also incredibly practical, featuring multiple compartments and pockets to organize your essentials efficiently. The spacious main compartment can comfortably accommodate a laptop up to 17 inches, along with documents, books, and other work necessities. What sets the MOOS Designs workstation bag apart is its built-in workstation. The bag opens to reveal a fold-out, ergonomic workspace, complete with a detachable laptop stand, mousepad, and phone holder. This setup allows you to create a productive work environment anywhere, from a cafe to an airport lounge. Additionally, the bag includes a USB charging port, ensuring your devices stay powered throughout the day. Number 5. CUBIIO X Portable CNC Robot. Forget bulky, space-hogging CNC machines. CUBIIO X is a portable CNC robot that redefines creation on your terms. This revolutionary tool folds into a compact form factor, roughly the size of a basketball, but unfolds to tackle projects with a massive 4x4 workspace. Imagine carving intricate designs on wood, or precisely etching patterns on metal, all within a user-friendly and portable package. CUBIIO X isn't just for show. It boasts a powerful spindle motor and precision guidance system, allowing it to cut through various materials like wood, plastic, and even some softer metals. Setting up CUBIIO X is a breeze. The modular design ensures a quick transition from storage to creation station. No complex assembly is required. Simply unfold the machine, connect it to your computer, and let your creativity flow. CUBIIO X works seamlessly with popular design software, allowing you to bring your digital ideas to life with ease. Whether you're a seasoned hobbyist yearning for a more portable solution or a budding maker seeking a powerful yet user-friendly introduction to CNC technology, CUBIIO X is the answer. Number 6. UBPET V10 22,000 Pascals 10X Ultra. Struggling with pet hair and stubborn dirt? Look no further than the UBPET V10, the robot vacuum designed to tackle even the toughest cleaning challenges. Boasting a monstrous 22,000 pascals suction power, that's 10 times more than conventional models, the UBPET V10 devours dirt, debris, and pet hair with relentless efficiency. This isn't just about raw power. The UBPET V10 utilizes advanced cyclonic technology and a brushless fan to ensure consistent, long-lasting suction without the hassle of frequent filter maintenance. No more tangled messes. The UBPET V10's smart brush design ensures effortless pet hair removal, keeping your floors and furniture fur-free. But the UBPET V10 isn't just a one-trick pony. Equipped with LDS laser navigation, it intelligently maps your home for a thorough and efficient cleaning experience. It seamlessly navigates various floor types, conquering carpets and hard floors with ease. With low-noise operation, you can rest assured your cleaning routine won't disrupt your peace. Number 7. INFLABI Pocket-Size Helmet. Say goodbye to bulky bike helmets that take up space and discourage wear. INFLABI introduces the world's first pocket-sized helmet, offering unparalleled convenience and safety for cyclists and urban commuters. This innovative helmet utilizes cutting-edge air technology instead of traditional foam padding. Inflate it with a simple bike pump to a secure fit, and enjoy the lightweight comfort it provides. When you reach your destination, deflate INFLABI in seconds and stash it away neatly in your bag or pocket. Safety remains paramount. INFLABI boasts superior impact absorption compared to traditional helmets, keeping your head protected during falls. The design is rigorously tested and adheres to stringent European safety standards. INFLABI isn't just about safety, it's about style. Gone are the days of bulky, unattractive helmets. INFLABI's sleek and modern design complements your urban attire, making safety a seamless part of your ride.